I had an incident where I was flying my drone and I was up in the air, and it was all clear skies. There were no birds around, and then suddenly, while I was observing my drone in the air, I found some birds approaching my drone. And as you can see, I was looking around, and then I saw this bird approaching me from the right and almost grabbing it. So I had to dive deep down. Obviously she was up over me, so I could not go up. I had to go down, and then I moved back, and then I moved left and right so that I avoid contact with the bird, and I had to then retrieve, and I came back home. And these kind of situations, can arise when you have your drone up in the air, and these birds, obviously they don't like drones. They can obviously would like to approach the drone, would like to kick the drone off the air, and you have the situation where your drone can drop off from the air. Now I have seen some videos where some of these blokes have tried a reflective tape to avoid this situation, and this is where I thought, okay, let's just give this a go and see if it works. So I have ordered these reflective tapes of Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description, and I just want to see if this really works. Hello, this is Ash, and welcome to my channel. I've read some comments and obviously experience from people who have used this reflective tape that the red one works very well to make these birds go away. So I'm just go ahead and put this red tape on my drone, and then obviously we'll see if it works or not. So we have got this reflective tape, and you can stick it, so you don't need any separate tape or 3M or anything like that. You can just stick it on the drone. So we'll go ahead and see how it works. Okay, so I'm pretty much finished now, and what I have done, I have applied the reflective tape on the top, on the sides, and then I have also applied a bit on the front, these sides. I have left the wings because obviously they're used for reception and all that, so I don't want to hinder that reception. I did not put anything here as well. I have put some on the battery, so obviously from the behind, and obviously nothing here. So we'll see how it goes and if the birds stay away.
Okay, so here is the verdict. I did fly my drone with the tape on, and there were quite a few birds where I was flying, but they stayed away from it. None of the birds approached the drone or came near it, which, to be honest, is amazing. Uh, I think this works. So if you guys haven't tried this yet, uh, I would just advise to just go ahead and do it and see if it works or not. And let me know down in the comments it worked for you or not, and that would be very interesting. But yeah, it certainly did work for me. So I hope it works for you as well. Stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. I will be making more videos on drone general footage, as well as some regulations and rules in the UK. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.